Hello kids, let's start. We promised in previous class read about cellulose. In this class we will learn cellulose. This topic is read but point to point method. It means main basically points are collect for you. Cellulose is present in plant cell wall. It's the first major line. Where are present? In plant cell wall. Cellulose is polysaccharide. It's also clear. We have learned in previous class what is polysaccharide. Polysaccharide is a contain hundreds of thousands of such monosaccharide units. It is a collection of monosaccharide units. The formula of cellulose is C6H10O5. It is a C6H10O5, oxygen unit of 5. Now it is complex carbohydrate. We have learned also in previous class what is simple carbohydrate and what is complex carbohydrate. Simple carbohydrate is based on sugar and complex carbohydrate is based on starch. Now human can't digest cellulose. It is a major issue. Human can't digest cellulose, but animal easily digest cellulose. Why? Because stomach structure of animals is different from human stomach. It is a discuss point of other chapter. But answer is why animal easily digest cellulose. Stomach structure of animal different from human. Cellulose is mainly used to produce paperboard and paper. In exam, we use paperboard. So also we know cellulose is mainly used to produce paperboard and paper. Okay, that's the topic complete of cellulose. Now we learn about next topic of this chapter, components of food. The major chapter we have learned in previous class carbohydrate. Now we learn fat. Fat. Description. Fat are also responsible for providing energy to our body. It's simply we have learned fat for providing energy to our body. It's a major work. Energy give up to body. Mostly they provide more energy than carbohydrate. We know carbohydrate give our body energy and repair, but fat are also major greater than energy carbohydrate. The body used fat as a fuel sources. Fuel sources. What is fuel sources? Next examples. Fat are essential. What works? Fat are essential for the absorption of vitamin. What is use of fat is the answer of this. In this, fats are essential for the absorption of vitamin A, D, E, K. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K is the digest of fat by the fat. Now they are typically found in. Where are found in? The answer is butter, cheese, oil. That is the fuel sources. Okay, that line is clear. The body used fat as a fuel sources and butter, cheese, oil. It is a fuel sources. Next, test. It is a not laboratory test. It is only simple test. We have to use eat kachori, samosa on paper. Take a small quantity of food item. We example it and wrap a piece of paper around it. And wrap a piece of paper around it. Proceed to crush it. Crush it. Completely crush it. After removing the paper, when removing the paper, allow it to dry. If you see a film of any oil patch on the paper when holding it against light, if you see a film of any oil patch paper on paper holding it against light, it is proof that the food contains fats. Is now clear? Fat. Two topics in this class. Fat and previous chapter cellulose. Now next chapter we read protein, vitamin and other component of food. Thank you so much.